Hello Athlon Nation, this is Jeff Robertson out at the Athlon Ranch. Today we're going to be testing out the Argos BTR. This particular one is a 6-24x50 in the mill version. We have two versions of Argos BTR in 6-24 and 8-34. The 6-24 is a 50mm objective lens. The 8-34 has a 56mm objective lens. The 6-24 parallax adjustment is from 10 yards to 500 before infinity. The 10-yard adjustment is excellent for small bore shooters and for air gunners as well. Argos BTR in 6-24x50 has 18 mils or 60 MOA of adjustment and elevation. Argos BTR 8-34x56 has 50 MOA of adjustments or 13 mils of adjustment on the 8-34x56. And it's also waterproof and fog proof. Does come with an available sunshade, which we're not using today, but check your local retailer for one of those. Argos BTR has 11 illumination settings on it. So if you're in low light conditions or just want to change the background of your target, or if you have a dark background on your target, it will give you red illumination on the reticle. The gun we're using today is the Ruger Precision Rifle. It has a one-piece mount for the 30mm tube. They come with a 20 MOA rail. So we should have no problem getting out to 1,000 yards with it. We're going to be doing a long range test and a tracking test at the end. We'll go from 100 yards to 1,000 yards and doing shots every 250 yards on the way out to 1,000. We'll come back and we'll do a tall target test and a box test. So put on your headphones and let's get ready to shoot. All right, Athlon Nation, we're going to go ahead and confirm our zero at 100 yards. And then we're going to again go to 250, 500, 750 yards, then to 1,000, and come back to 100 and re-engage reconfirm our target at 100 yards. So, line's going hot.
Yeah, I think that's good.
All right, we've confirmed our zero at 100 yards. We're going to go ahead and stretch it out to 250 yards on steel. And Straylock Pro says they go up 8.1. We're going to go ahead and go up 8 mils or 0.8 mils and engage the target. Line's going hot.
Impact! Damn. Nice.
All right, Athlon Nation, we've engaged our target at 250. We're now going to go ahead and dial up for 500. And the Straylock Pro app says we need to be at 3.0 mils from zero. Let's engage the target. Line is hot. Shooter's ready on standby, awaiting instructions.
Go for it.
Impact.
Impact. Clear rifle, I go back out.
Copy, all clear, you're ready. All right, we've successfully rung steel at 500 yards. We're going to go ahead and dial up for 750 yards and engage that. Straylock Pro says we need to be at 5.8 mils of adjustment from zero for our 750 yard target, so we'll go ahead and dial that up. All right, line's going hot. Alrighty, we successfully engaged 750 yards. We're going to go ahead and engage our 1,000 yard target. Then after 1,000, we'll come back and confirm our 100 yard zero. Straylock Pro says we need to be at 10.2 Mills from 0. 10, 2. All right, line's going hot.
Get back!
We've gone ahead and Argos did a fantastic job getting out to 1,000 yards. We're going to go ahead and reconfirm our 100-yard 0, and then we'll go into a tall target and box test. All right, line's going hot.
That's good. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, you rocket.
All right, Athlon Nation, you can hear the wind again today. We had one shooter error here. That's my fault. But our first two and third initial confirming shots, and then our return fire after coming back from 1,000 yards. I'd say that's pretty darn good, especially for factory ammo. Thank you, Hornady, for making incredibly consistent ammo and making that shot possible. And that's the Argos BTR 6-24X50 in the mill version. Well, we finished our long range test, and after reconfirming 0-100, we're going to now do a tall target test. So, and this is in mills, so we've got a target down there graduated in mills. I'll hold the same point of aim, and after every shot, I will dial up 1 mil to make sure everything tracks vertically. Hold the same point of aim on every shot. All right, so we're going to go ahead and go hot and watch the show. Line is hot. This is our tall target test with the Argos BTR. This is in mills, so we've graduated these apart in 1 mil. Started here, maintained point of aim right here the whole time. We're fighting the wind a little bit, but that's pretty decent. That's very consistent all the way up and down. Probably half MOA is the probably, if it was on one spot, it'd be the half MOA group. So yeah, for a sub $400 first focal plane scope is probably one of the tightest ones you're ever be able to use. So check us out, have a look through one, and hopefully put one on a gun and take it to the range. And we'll see you next time.